All right, what's up, guys? This is your boy Fat Beater Producer for fatbeaterproducer.com. Today, I would like to talk to you about how to clean up your tracks before you export your stems. The importance of that to make your acapellas sound super clean, and just to make the life easier for your sound engineer or mixing engineer to work on your stuff after that. So here we go. Let's start with the basics. Cleaning up the extras. Okay, let's go in the computer here. All right, so cleaning up the extras starts with, you can go and control to select. You see these two tracks right here. You can go and select both of them by pressing control, or I think it's command on Apple computers, and then what you do is once both your clips are selected, here, let me just zoom in a little bit right here so that we can see better. You go in the corner right here and you just whoop, take all of that away, and boom, it is done. Same thing for this one. That's fairly easy. You don't want to have that extra stuff in there, that extra audio, extra background noise, because in the end, it adds up. It does add up in the track. You want to keep the vocals as clean as possible so that it leaves space for the beat to breathe. Same here. Look at this right here in the back. Boom. See, so far so good. Looking clean. Now, also it's also important to go between when you got long spaces. Like let's say for example here, you see that the words are pretty close to each other, but then there's like a bigger space. That's where you would want to maybe like take off some of the background. You don't want to try to take it off everywhere because it might end up sounding like robotic or not natural. So I would like keep that for like really like big spaces, like here or like here, So let's go here. Let's try this. Zoom in. You see here, this right here, that's your background noise. Let me just go and play this for you. You see? Now, if we take our scissors or our split tool, we just go like this. Go back with our object tool. It differs from one DAW to another, digital audio workstation to another. But this in Cubase, and even I right now I have like an older version, but sometimes in the newer versions too, it's going to be different. But it all boils down to the same thing, like it's the only difference is like the designs, and sometimes certain possibilities will change when you're using like a newer version. Which I will have pretty soon. I'm just like right now, I'm kind of like in the middle of a switch between like my systems and stuff. So here we go. Check it out. Just go like this. Selection tool. And boom. You got to be careful though. You see here at the end, this might not just like be background noise. Sometimes it could be the ending of a word or something. So let's go with the play tool and check it out.
Comes a time in a man's life.
See, right here. Stops about here. Right there. Also, what you want to be doing whenever you're doing this stuff, what you want to be making sure is you don't want the sound to cut off like so rough, so you don't want it to cut off so rough. So like you're gonna want to like put some you're gonna want to put some fade ins and outs in there. Let me just finish this right here. I'm just gonna finish like let's say this part right here. I'm just gonna put my cuts. Boom. Boom. See, nice and clean. Now there's gonna be absolutely no what's the word? Absolutely no like background noise. So here we go. So next step, what you want to do so that it really fades in and out of like the silence, you're gonna want to go and fade in and out everything. You see, I've selected all of these parts. So what happens is, like, if I touch one of them, it fades out everything. You get what I'm saying? So if you look at it, you see it's going to fade in and out. It's going to smooth it out. It's going to smooth the transition between silence and lyrics and words and singing. So this is it. You see, it makes it real nice and smooth. We're going to do the same thing here. So this is very important whenever you want to have like if you want your vocals to be like, you know, like if you go and mute your beat, you want your vocals to be like nice and clean and not hear the person breathing between lyrics and stuff. So this gives us like a quite a good idea of like what to do. I'm not going to do the whole thing because it's going to take forever, but it's just to show you how important it is to, like, look, if we go, let's say we go here.
There comes a time in a man's life.
Okay, so if I go and I mute, you'll see that there's complete silence between the words. So here we go.
There comes a time in a man's life. When you have to address these issues.
See, complete silence. This is like perfect.
You know what time it is.
Boom. Perfect. Nice and clean. That's gonna leave space for the beat to take over the track in between words, you know. So this is it. In another video, I'm gonna show you guys how to like how to tighten your back vocals with your main vocals, but I won't do this in this video. I wanted to really concentrate in this video. I really wanted to concentrate on cleaning the background noise between your words, between your vocals. So this is it for fatbeaterproducer.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click that bell, and share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. All right.